Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the system runs UEFI, not legacy BIOS, and that you have administrator rights. Next, prepare a USB recovery drive and note any existing platform keys. Once ready, reboot and enter the firmware setup using the manufacturer key, F2, Del, or ESC, then navigate to the security or boot menu. You do this because Secure Boot requires UEFI and a clean keychain. Without those steps, the next actions will fail. Now you focus on key configuration. Switch Secure Boot into setup mode so you can make changes and make sure you understand each key's role. Install or enroll the platform key to assert control, then add the key exchange key to allow updates. After that, import trusted signatures into the DB. This is where you add your OS shim, bootloader, and any third-party drivers. Do this carefully, because an incorrect key will prevent the system from booting signed software. Finally, exit setup mode and enable Secure Boot using the keys you enrolled. Save and reboot. You should immediately test by booting your OS and examining boot logs or firmware status to confirm Secure Boot is active. If the system fails to boot, do not panic. Boot a recovery USB, enter firmware, and either disable Secure Boot temporarily or restore the previous keys from backup. This troubleshooting step lets you recover without losing data, and then you can correct key errors safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.